When building a PC, you must use a good quality processor and graphics card. Different companies have different types of graphics card processors. In the current market, you need to find the best quality processor and best quality graphics card for your budget. So friends, now I will discuss with you about the best processor and the best graphics card in the market. Number 1. Intel Core i9 i12900 Kelvin desktop processor, 16 cores up to 5.2 GHz, unlocked LGA 1700600 series chipset 125W. About this item, the processor features socket LGA 170 socket for installation on the PCB. 30 MB of L3 cache memory provides excellent hit rate and short access time, enabling improved system performance. 10nm enables improved performance per watt, and micro architecture makes it power efficient. Intel 7 architecture enables improved performance per watt, and micro architecture makes it power efficient. Product description: Intel Core i9 processors. This desktop processor family features an innovative architecture designed for intelligent performance, immersive display and graphics, plus enhanced tuning and expandability to put gamers and PC enthusiasts fully in control of real-world experiences. ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Ti Trinity OC 8GB GDDR6X 256-bit 19Gbps PCIe 4.0 gaming graphics card. Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling. Spectra 2.0 RGB lighting. ZTA 30710J10P. About this item: NVIDIA Ampere architecture, 2nd Gen ray tracing cores, 3rd Gen tensor cores, 8GB 256-bit GDDR6X, 19Gbps, PCIe 4.0, boost clock 1800 MHz, Spectra 2.0 RGB lighting, Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling, freeze fan stop, active fan control, lighted metal backplate, 8 Kelvin ready, 4 display ready, HDCP 2.3, VR ready, 3x DisplayPort 1, 4A, 1x HDMI 2.1, DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan RT API, OpenGL 4.6. Product description: Get amplified with the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 30 series based on the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, built with enhanced RT cores and tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and super-fast GDDR6X memory. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Ti Trinity OC gives rise to smooth and high-fidelity gaming. Friends, if you still want to make a purchase, you will find that link in the description box. Friends, if you like to see electronics, gadgets, and products, be sure to join us. Subscribe to our online shop channel and play anytime to be the first to get the latest updates. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you have any need, we have our Gmail ID and Facebook number 2 Instagram ID. Contact us there.